In this video, I'll be teaching you how to write your book properly using ChatGPT. In my last video, I gave you reasons why ChatGPT should not take over. That ChatGPT is actually here to assist us, it's not here to what replace us. And I show you the necessary tools you can use to what paraphrase your work and make it unique, right? But in today's video, I'll show you how to write with ChatGPT properly, the best way to write using ChatGPT, right? Let's not forget, my name is Alavisi Ashishana and I'm an online entrepreneur. I'm a content creator. In this channel, I share tips, strategies, and opportunities you can leverage to make money online. If content like this interests you, do well to subscribe, like, share and support this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's all dive into the business of today. So let's go ahead straight to ChatGPT. I already have my ChatGPT open. So here we are on ChatGPT, and I want to give ChatGPT this prompt: generate 5 topics. Sorry, 5 topics on malnutrition. So let's go ahead. You want to make sure it stays to the end of this video, because there is actually a bonus at the end of this video and you'll be amazed, right? So yes, ChatGPT has generated 5 topics for us on nutrition. So what the role of nutrition education in combating malnutrition in developing countries? Okay, let's pick this, and at times you can also use this topic to make your research on Amazon. This topic, but that's not the content for today's video. But you can also take this topic and go back to Amazon and see if it's actually a profitable niche. Yeah, maybe if you want me to drop a video on how to do keyword research on ChatGPT or on Amazon using ChatGPT, just drop it in the comment section and I will just do that for you, right? So we are picking one topic: generate an outline on this topic. Right, so it's going to generate an outline for us on this topic. Wow, interesting, right? So yeah, it's done generating this outline for us, and we want to pick the first one. And say paste there and say okay. I also want to copy the topic. If you watch my previous video, if you watch my last video, you're going to see how I did it, but this is another style I want to show you. Please generate an introduction on this topic, right? Focus on, like I said, focus on this, and yeah, you can now write focus on unique content, and use the AIDA formula. Yeah. AIDA actually means attention, interest, desire, and action. So let's go. So it makes your introduction also very, very unique, right? It makes the introduction also very, very unique. So I'll also be showing another way you can also write the introduction. So, okay, now it has divided this into attention, interest, desire, and what's an action. You can see this. Imagine a scenario in a small village nested amidst the vast landscapes of a developing country. But what I'm trying to say is that this is different from the regular introduction is going to give you. You can try it. My own. You can see this interest. So you don't have to put this interest and just remove it. Just add it up together. Right? Desire, the class of nutrition education cannot provide. This is desire, it's created inside, and the action. So if you're passionate about making a difference in the lives of millions, if you believe in transformative power of knowledge, and if you want to take part in solution together, let us explore the best approaches. So this is an introduction, right? This is an introduction, and it is very, very interesting. So you can also use that to create a very catchy introduction for your book. Yes, use use AIDA formula. It's going to do, and you are so going to love it. So, but then I'm not going to finish writing this book because I don't want this video to be so long, right? So after this, I want to go to another app. You've seen this, and okay, now another way to write this introduction to make your book very catching. Let's generate. Let me put another prompt here. Okay, please please generate an please generate an introduction for this topic. For this topic, right? Create a real life story and don't include interesting, right? If you're getting value from this video, don't want to like, subscribe, and share. Also comment ChatGPT in the comment section, and do not include once upon a time. You see, you make ChatGPT give you what you want, and do not include once upon a time. So with all this kind of prompts, your books get a chance to stand out among a lot of books on Amazon, right? So let's see what it gives us. And your introduction is one important aspect of your book. See this. Okay, now you can see this. This is interesting, right? In the rural heartland of a developing country, a small community strives amidst the challenges of life. Among them is the story of Rani, a determined young mother who dreams of a bigger future for her children. You can see this. This is it's telling us a real life story. So there's another catchy way you can present your what introduction. Introduction is one thing that that attracts people to continue reading your book. And if they want to purchase it, they can go ahead and also purchase it. Do you understand? So that's that. And if you don't want to even purchase it with this kind of a catchy introduction, you would definitely get people to read your book. And you can also make some dollars for yourself by people reading your books. Do you understand? So these are the kind of plots you want to put, on your introduction. Right? So quickly, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's move straight up to now to another tool that we'll be using, undetectable AI. AI. So once we're here, you just come here and paste your content here, because I want this AI to actually humanize what ChatGPT has written to make it very, very unique. If you are here to watch my last video on how to detect AI written content, make sure you do so. Right? So I've pasted it here and I want to let AI to humanize this. You can see it's writing, it's regenerating everything. Ah, okay, let's wait for it. Allow 1,500 characters as a go for free trial, but if you want to pay for it, you can also pay for it. I'll be dropping the link in the comment section, so you can just click the link and come to this interface. But if you stick with me to the to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get this for free. Right? So wow, you can see it has written it. Let's read. In the outline of a developing nation, there's a community that strives despite the hardships they face. You can see this. It makes it natural. It means like, okay, someone is writing it. Do you understand? So, okay, now among them is Rani, a mother who holds onto and dreams of a better future for her children. You can see this. This is lovely, right? So let's continue. Just copy this, copy it, and at the same time, once you've copied this, I know there won't be pre-glavism, but you still want to be on the safer side, right? So go to SEO pre-glavism. All right. So we are in another tool that's going to help us paraphrase our work. If you're yet to watch my last video where I explained this in depth, you want to make sure you do that. So here we are. I've posted this here. Also, let's make sure you check your plagiarism, but I can assure you that we won't be getting any plagiarism from this work. And if we will get it, let's say 1%. Okay, now you can see that we have 100% unique content, and that's the main reason why you have to make sure you use the undetectable AI. Now, to get undetectable AI for free, you can keep signing in with different email address, right? Different email address, because per character, it allows only 1,500 for free trial. So if you sign with one email address, you can sign with another email address. And quickly, you can go to Google and type in temporary email, or fake image generator, disposable temporary email. You can use this to sign up each time you want to make undetectable AI to humanize your content. If you got value from this video, do what? Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and drop in your comment section ChatGPT. I'll also be in the comment section to answer all of your questions, right? Thank you very much, and God bless you.